Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Destiny here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking all about skincare. You probably clicked on this video because you have darker skin, you're over 30, and you wanted to see some of my favorite skincare items. Now, this is not about the brand, this is more about the ingredients and the benefits and the different ways I think that these products benefit dark skin. So if you want to see my list, let's just go ahead and jump right in. So we're going to work our way from the bottom up, and I have to start with a good toner. One of my favorite ingredients in toner is glycolic acid. This helps to renew your cells. It helps with hyperpigmentation, helps with fine lines and wrinkles. It really is just going to take care of the tone of your skin. I'm a witness. One of my favorite glycolic acid toners, and I'm smiling as I think about it because, baby, that Peter Thomas Roth, honey. Amazing, honey, award-winning. I absolutely love their toner, but this one is actually really good too. This brand in general is really good. This is Derm AE, and they actually also have a pretty good price point. I'll have a couple I recommend. Listen, I didn't want to make this all about products in particular. You can definitely shop within your budget, price range, the brands you like. Look for these ingredients, okay? Some products will definitely be high recommendations, and I'll let you know when those are, but for the most part, ingredients. Okay, so with toner, you're gonna go on to, I want to mention primers and different things like that. I just honestly feel like you definitely need a primer to match your skin type. Like personally, I like pore filling and I like matte primers. Okay, that's my primer wheelhouse. You need to have a primer to address your particular skincare, not whatever's popular, not like you really need to think about what you need from your makeup prep, what you want, the different things that your skin does. Like if you're oily, do you need matte? If you're dry, do you need hydrating? Do you need a drop of oil? You know what I'm saying, honey? Okay, so from there, I want to go into, these are moisturizers, but for me, I use these before an actual moisturizer or before an oil. And this is going to be any kind of gel hydrator, any kind of liquidy, 100% water kind of super liquidy, really runny micellar type products. I have all different types of products like this. Now, I like this because this is going to offer your skin hydration. Like a lot of times we like to jump to putting oil and oil-based products like directly on our skin. And oil does not give moisture, it seals in moisture. So you want to make sure to have something moisturizing on your skin before you even go in with the oil, before you go in with an actual moisturizer. For me personally, one of my favorites definitely has to be from Bioderma. I love their products. They're for like sensitive skin. I don't have sensitive skin, but I always find that those brands make really nice gel hydrators. I also have one from Boscia. Now there's another brand that makes a cactus hydrator that I love. I cannot think of the brand off the top of my head. Honey, I have so many different products, but I will make sure to put it in the bottom bar. But this is the Boscia Cactus Water Hydrator. I am absolutely in love with these kind of moisturizers. They really give your skin hydration. And I don't even just use them on my face. You can use them on your neck. You can use them on your hands. That's another thing that I definitely recommend we start looking into when it comes to hand aging. I know myself personally, I don't have a particular hand routine right now. At one point I did, but I love putting these on my hands and then putting on some shea butter or whatever I'm gonna put on my skin. Tarte also has one. There's so many brands that have it. Basically look into like a pre-moisturizer hydrator. Even if you just spritz some water, put some hydrator up there. All right, guys, so now I want to move into vitamin C. I definitely think vitamin C needs to be in your skincare regimen, okay? If you are a darker complected person, vitamin C is going to be your best friend. It is great to brighten dull skin areas where your cells are just built up. Also the glycolic, don't forget that. Vitamin C just is going to really help with hyperpigmentation and skin imbalances and stuff. I have a lot of vitamin C products. Derm AE actually makes a whole trio, like a moisturizer, a primer, a serum. I have the moisturizer here and the serum. I absolutely love these guys. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'll have them linked below as well, but absolutely amazing. I have a really great vitamin serum that I love from La Roche-Posay. I have a new one here, and I have the one that I've been using in my cabinet, but when you're using vitamin C, you want to make sure to keep it away from the light because you don't want it to change on you. That's pretty much what happened to that one, but I am still using it, honey. I'm gonna have to put a little blurb in the bottom about the efficacy, but I'll be still using my products, honey. Yes, so definitely get some vitamin C. I wanted to talk about this Glycolic night serum from Drunk Elephant, and this is actually a really great product. I've been using this for a few months now, and I definitely noticed a difference, and I noticed that because I haven't been using retinol, which is something that should be on this list, but it's not. I mean, it is on the list, but I don't have a retinol product right now. Help me. I need a retinol product to add to my list. No, but seriously, I have been using this along with the Derme E toner, which I showed you in the beginning. I use the toner in the morning, I use the Glycolic at night, and I love it. And the reason I mentioned the retinol is because you can't use Glycolic and retinol together, they like cancel each other out. So definitely make sure you know what you're using and why. That's why I want to do this video for you guys really quick. Another thing that you should have in your skincare regimen and in your diet is collagen. Collagen is absolutely amazing. Collagen is the building blocks of the skin, honey. I have some Peter Thomas Roth collagen moisturizer here that is also like one of those jelly hydrators that I absolutely love, honey. This is the Firm Collagen Moisturizer, 7 forms of collagen and collagen supporting ingredients, fine lines, wrinkles, firmness, dryness, leave skin plump with moisture, and I absolutely agree with this statement. When you use this before you put on your makeup, your skin looks amazing. It feels amazing, it looks lush. Honey, I actually also wanted to mention a tool. Now, this is something that I do before or during my skincare. My face is clean. I put on like a serum and then a few drops of oil. This is the Gua Sha, and this is just amazing for anti-aging, lifting, helping to drain your face of fluids, honey. There's a whole culture behind this. I'll have more information in the bottom bar. I would love to do a video for you guys, but you know how that be. I don't want to make any promises here today for you folks, honey, but I absolutely love this. I mean, it just really, I mean, if you're not stimulating your skin and you're over 30, like, what are you even really doing? And I mean that because you can't just apply stuff up there and expect it to, like, you have to get in there, get the blood pumping. You have to work your facial muscles and stuff, honey. I know black don't crack, but it sags, it gets dull, it gets dry. You know what I mean? It does other things besides crack. You don't have to have wrinkles for your skin to look like dull and dead and tired, like you haven't like slapped it up. Honey, me and my face, we get active in here. I'm telling you right now. I think I've mentioned everything that I wanted to mention aside from like a good lip scrub, a lip routine. Honey, I've been doing makeup a little bit lately, and we gotta take care of our lips, honeys. Our lips, we gotta pay attention to the facial hair of it all and the white heads and the black heads and really get in there and take care of ourselves, because as a makeup firsthand, I see, as a makeup artist firsthand, a lot of times I see that there's little things that a lot of people do not pay attention to. Maybe because I'm always in the mirror, I'm always online, I'm always on camera. I really pay attention to like my brows and facial hair and what's going on all up in the black heads and the everything. That I want to urge you guys to also pay attention to that. And those are some of my favorite skincare products, and also a few recommendations in there. Everything will be listed in the bottom bar. Listen, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, share. It really helps my channel. If you're new, welcome, hey. As always, guys, I want to thank you so much for commenting, rating, and subscribing. I'll be in touch, and hopefully you'll do the same. Bye, guys.